First thing is about monitoring. Okay, monitoring means how I know my system is working fine, how my resources are utilizing for my system, one system. Can you see this? My CPU utilization, memory utilization, disk utilization is good. Okay, and also see how much hard disk data is there. Disk is full, red color means danger, you have to take care of that one. Okay, like that. Or a process management, you can see what process running in your system, how much CPU it is utilizing. See, this is Microsoft Teams utilizing 36% currently. I don't know why it is. Maybe in some background update or kind of stuff. Now it is went to 60%. Okay. RAM utilization, disk utilization, GPU utilization. So the applications are utilizing our resources, process utilizing our resources, total resource utilization, we can able to get it, right? From one system I am getting, in case I have a multiple pieces, can you differentiate service request between incident? Okay, no problem. I will tell, but let me small completion of this one, then I will tell. Okay, this pipe example, see remove it. So in my organization, I have a servers, storage devices, networking devices. Okay, so database servers, mail servers, different type of servers are there. Okay, firewalls, like that. I have a total big infrastructure, including desktops. Normal desktops are there, IP telephones are there. Like this, we have a devices. Now, I want to know what is going on with my infrastructure, my routers, my switches, my firewalls, my servers, my Windows machines or Linux machines, storage devices. I want to know what is happening with this infrastructure. So each device I can't go and check it, right? So what I do, I'll get information, I will collect the information from all the devices. Okay, using certain protocols like a SMPS, using certain devices like a Nagios, Zabbix. Okay, so what I have done, so I collect information I kept in my op manager dashboard. So I can understand which device is working. Okay, what is the status of the device? What is their utilization of the devices? I can see from one window only. Okay, so I showed already op manager, guys. So you can see in how many devices are there, servers, routers, switches, desktop, firewalls. You can see number of devices. How many are in a problematic? How many alarms you received it? Okay, you can see this is the server, it is showing cross mark. 26 devices are in a problematic. So which device, so you can see this is server 9, server 8 is in a critical. So I want to see what is happening with this server 8. This server 8 related details. It's not actually server 8, it is a Cisco 22800 series, some router it is. Okay, so you will find what is the details and what the relevant information you are getting, custom fields and all. So you have to do verify what is the things, necessity things you have to do it to make it clear. Okay. Device utilization. Can you see CPU? I already showed CPU utilization, reset and alerts. So I can able to have to take care of these alerts. So then further impact will be reduced. Okay. So the devices company wise, IBM, Apple, Dell, this is Cisco one bracket, Cisco related, Canon, okay, Juniper, HP, T-Link, NetApp, storage related. Okay, it has some issue. It is not showing on my screen. So grouping, company grouping, 119 devices are there. It is not loading. It's okay. Okay. So we use different type of devices. Where it is? We use different type of tools to get monitors. Nagios, Zabbix, PRTG is a network monitoring tool. New Relic application performance monitoring tool. WhatsUp goal. Yeah, it is not a this one. So Splunk is not a monitoring analysis tool. Okay. NPM, so network performance monitors. Different type of monitoring will do it. So it depends like either on or off conditions, or maybe disk utilization, CPU, RAM utilization, process monitoring, network monitoring, IP monitoring, or traffic monitoring, port protocols monitoring. Will do it. Just I'm giving generalizing things. Okay. So what is the advantage of monitoring again? Guys, you will know what is going on with your organization. Any issues like any warnings, errors are generated, you'll notify with the alert system or alarm systems. So you can immediately take care of that. You immediately can able to handle the situation. So further impact will be reduced. So the downtime kind of things won't happen. Okay, this is about monitoring. Guys, small anything understand about monitoring?
Yes, yes, sir.
I'm giving some information of monitoring. Monitoring tools. It's a small information of monitoring tools. Zabbix is a open source monitoring tool. Enterprise level monitoring tool. We can monitor different kind of stuff, including network monitoring, application monitoring, kind of stuff. Okay. So, and like this, some tools, Zabbix, PRTG, WhatsUp Gold, and NPM, Splunk, and New Relic, only one paragraph information. So when you have a time, guys, please read it. You will get a good understanding of it. Okay. Solarwinds is a organization, company, and this is a tool name. Okay. So just I'm giving name information. I don't explain now. Okay. Next, these are the certain links, so not required. Even help desk tools. Help desk or service desk, different tools we can use in organization. Already I sent 2 videos now. That is a fresh services kind of stuff. Name changed, but original name is fresh service only. Okay. Services. I have sent one BMC Helix demo practical version. That is these links, YouTube links also there. And the trial version link is also there. You want to practice how to create a tickets or how tickets we can able to read it. Simply go to the trial version of BMC, fill this information, okay, and start. So email is must be business email, not your Gmail account, Yahoo mail account won't work here. You can give some random ABC at the rate of XYZ, no problem, it will work. Okay, so like this. See, it is working green color. Okay, so business phone number, remaining whatever information you give it, no problem. So you don't have a company email, right? So go to trial version. So then you can see the environment, how tickets are created. Okay, so I have given that information in this video. Please watch it. Zoho, Zira, WireSticket. WireSticket is also open source ticketing system. Okay, I already installed and tried this one. Okay, email integration is not happening. Okay, this is WireSticket. Customer support softwares, self-hosted. GLPI, so both cloud-based and self-hosted kind of stuff is there. Zendesk, like this, there is a certain softwares used for a service desk or a help desk tools. Guys, any chance of learning? So even YouTube also no problem. Try ServiceNow, BMC Helix, ITSM. Okay. So BMC Helix you can practice directly with the trial version, but ServiceNow you don't find any trial kind of or demo versions, you won't find it. Okay. Or any chance of learning this thing. Or a fresh service is also good one. Zoho is also good one. Any tool you can learn YouTube, Udemy. YouTube is free always. Udemy may not be free. Certain are free, some are not free. So you can try once. It is useful in your career.
So that is useful for our career, or that is useful for our interview also. Like do we need to get the details about those softwares before the interview?
You just to know the names, that is enough. What is what for now? But in future, maybe after interview or many time you got it. So try to learn. Okay. So not required very immediately. So compulsory is not required. At least to know the basic names, kind of stuff.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Few points I will going to add, guys. That is about a this one. SOP, standard operating procedure. What is SOP? Standard operating procedure. A simple understanding of standard operating procedure. I want to do something like I want to set up a system. Then I have to follow some steps to do that one. For example, I want to deploy an application. I want to deploy a service. I want to create a virtual machine. Okay, so I will follow certain steps to do it. Okay, so user request to change his password, a small thing only, right? But even that is also need to follow certain steps. So organizations will define the what steps you have to follow to do this particular type of work. Okay, that is called a SOP, standard operating procedure. To do daily work, it can be a regular work. It can be solving an issues, troubleshooting an issues, or maybe it is just a deployment, or maybe it is simple as service ticket related kind of stuff. But you have to follow the SOP. A standard operating procedure is a set of step-by-step instruction compiled by organization to help workers carry out complex routine operations. Complex routine operations. I think I missed some information. Okay, I will get that information. So I will add that one also. Okay, this is a set of complex routine operations. So why we need to follow SOP? Why need to follow a standard operating procedure? So it make more easy. So it give a proper outcome. Okay, so it's aimed to archive efficiency, quality, output, uniformity of performance, while reducing miscommunications and failure to comply with the industry regulations. It's a more standard words it is, okay? To understand, guys, if you follow it, your outcome is maximum successful outcome. It is improve your performance, quality output you will get it. Okay, so you follow the that's one. Some people will get it out, sir. Do you require to learn all kind of errors and all? Okay, the point is, SOP will define to follow any work. You do any troubleshooting, any issue is occur, or maybe you need to install something, or maybe you have to deploy something. You have to finish a certain work, certain thing. So there is a process. You have to follow the process to complete the work. Okay, that's the point. What is KEDB? Known error database. What is known error database? If some issues occur, it's not completely resolved. Okay, still well-known error it is. Okay, so we have to keep those errors because those errors are not yet resolved. So we kept in a database about those errors. And what kind of solutions you so far tried for that errors? Okay, so once issue is resolved by certain solution, so what you will do, this is a solution for this particular type of error. Maybe some of you know Stack Overflow. Okay, you know the Stack Overflow. What is Stack Overflow? If you got any issues, you will search in Google. What will help? Stack Overflow. If you post your error, someone will try to give you an answer. Which one is which one is wrong in your code, or maybe what kind of things you have to change in your code. Okay, or maybe the relevant information. Okay, so it may work, may not be work. Some people suggest. Okay, so working process will take it. So this is how we can do it. So the same way in an organizations, so they will collect error information stored in a database. That is called a known error database. And there is a type of different solutions. Which solution is working? We separate it and make it as in the form of SOPs and tell this is the error. If you occur, try these kind of solutions. Not one solution, multiple solutions. This is troubleshooting model from CompTIA A+ certification model it is. Okay, it's a CompTIA given a hardware troubleshooting model it is. But whatever it is, troubleshooting model. You guys understand this SOP?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
SOP in troubleshooting also you have to follow these steps. Any issue is occur. First of all, you must know what is an issue. Identify the problem. Identify what is an issue. What is the issue? Establish probable cause. Establish probable cause. Okay. So why issue is occur? Where it is occur? Why it is occur? What is causing this issue? What is causing this kind of issue? Okay. Test the theory. So find out exactly. So test this theory. So usually something is happened. Okay. So you're traveling somewhere, your bike is suddenly stop working. So you should understand what happened is bike is stop working. Okay. You try to start auto start, it is not working. So what may be cause? Probable cause of that. Test your theory. Is it a battery problem or ignition problem? Something it is then a petrol problem. Okay. So test your theory. Where can be problem is there? Where it is problem? What kind of solution you can do it? what kind of solution you can do. Establish the plan and implement solution. Establish plan and implement the solution. Okay. Establish the plan. Plan it how to solve the problem, like to start. This is the thing we have to do it first. This is the thing we have to do next. Like plan it and implement the solution. Start doing solving the issue and verify. Once it is completed, verify, make sure it is working. Okay, and do preventive measures. Do preventive measures. What is preventive measures means? You have to do certain things to not to get this error or issue again. Okay, we got an issue, but we have to do certain things to not to get this error or issue again. Do preventive measures. Document finding. What is document finding? What is an issue? What causing this issue? What is the implementation you have done to solve an issue? What are the preventive measures you have taken to not to repeat this issue again? That should be in the document. Okay. This is
Yes,
a
sir.
troubleshooting model. So any issues occur, so you have to follow these 6 things. Identify the problem, establish probable cause, test the theory, establish plan and implement solution, verify the fix and do preventive measures, document finding. Okay. Something we are missing here. That's what I am trying to say. So whose document is this? This is 16th batch. This is 18th batch. Morning batch. And this is what we are. So here I've given some examples, right? I'm adding some more examples to make you understand the ticket. Okay. So I think I already given this one. So only print access. Yes, Shigofa asked one question, that is, what is the main difference between this and that kind of stuff? Point is, any issue is occurs, any unplanned interruption occurs, you have to consider that one as a incident. Okay, any unplanned interruption occurs, that when we can call it as a incident. Any issues occur, that is incident. Any request you want, like I want to change some I want some information and I need a get some information or change of services or maybe a change of access permissions. It's a service request. It is a service request. That's a simple. Okay. You know, we are telling about service desk, right? We are keep telling about what is service desk. Then there is a person who is working at a service desk. The person is service desk analyst. Service desk is a term, okay? It's not a person. Service desk is a team. Service desk can be a software. Service desk is a team of people, okay? Service desk analyst is a person, okay? Service desk analyst provide a technical support to the customers and an employees in some companies. They give an example, not always same level, guys. So it depends upon services analysis based on their technology working. So different type of support is there. You handle technology duties such as software installations, troubleshooting, maintenance, computer health. You respond to the phone calls, emails, live chats, and other communication. Yes. Guys, this is top 25 questions in the help desk and service desk manner. Okay. This is from Guru 99. These are the top 25 questions. So compulsory read how important customer service for you. Do you really think that company or organization really needs help desk? How important IT skills are in help desk service and how you keep yourself updated with those skills. See, like that, even there is certain questions it is already asked in your interviews. So like this, how to deal with a frustrated customers. What are the three abilities of ideal help desk person? Okay, so compulsory guys, these things you must go through these things also. Okay. Yeah. I will share in WhatsApp. I don't forget that one. Okay. So these three links, not three links. This is the link. Okay. This second link is my Google site. I created that Google site. Okay. In this link, okay, same information, same Guru 99 information only. I copy pasted, but you can see service desk. This is a service desk. Under service desk, we have services level, basic network connectivity, troubleshooting, SOP, some information is there. And also service operations. You can go to service operations. There you can find incident management, problem management, request fulfill. Request fulfillment means service request. Access management, problem management, how they are connected, different type of service desk, some service desk kind of stuff. Incident management guideline. It is also from BMC kind of stuff. What is incident management? What are the steps you will take it in the incident management? Okay, like this. I told incident management in a single line. Okay, but there is a lot of things in the incident management. Okay, WhatsApp open. This is top 25 interview questions on a service desk. This much. Okay, so try all these things, guys. Try to read all these things. It contains two links. That is one single link. This is support level. These are a support level. Okay, so while you are joining an organization as a fresher, guys, your support level 0, 1 kind of stuff. Mostly your support level is level 1. You're technically improved in a certain sector of technical part, not required to be in all technical. Means you are good at networking side, you improve your technical skills at networking side. Or currently you are handling in level 1 networking, you are interested to improve your networking related. So that's level 2 networking support. Server related, cloud related, or some deployments related. So in-depth technical knowledge, a specific technical knowledge is go to level 2. So any freshers mostly it is L0, L1 time. Okay. L0 is not even a service desk level, guys. It is mostly it is informative, user information related, or maybe self-help portals related. So gather information from self-help portals. I said no, IVR kind of stuff. Not IVR. That is why I'm telling IVR, IVR, ITR or IVR. That is, telephone voice support is there, no? Like that. Certain websites will tell you got an issue, then you have to go to self-help desk kind of stuff. I'm showing some help desk kind of stuff. Just for example. So it is help desk. That is helpline. So I got an issue. This is government website, so don't worry. So what kind of issue? License related or permit related. Okay, so permit extension. So like that, it is a it is a level 0. It means so user or a person who is working at level 0 simply gather information and categorize the information and understand what is an issue. So they will do all this work. Either user can do it directly, or maybe person who is working at level 0, like a help desk person, can able to do that. L1 is a basic L1 desk. So they will resolve issues, general issues, and service desk delivery done by tier 1. So tier 2 means once you are having little experience and you must be technically good at any one part of technical you must be good at, then we'll go to level 2. Level 3 expert product and service support means that is a top. Okay. Level 4 is not like that. It is an outside supporter. Means a person knows very well known about infrastructures, deployments, newly set up kind of stuff. Level 4 people like a consultants, Okay, that's the point. And some more. This is also we are missing here. Service desk, SLA. SLA, OLA, UC. So out of that one, this SLA is important. It is a signed between customer or a client to the service provider. What is signed means service provider agree to provide a service to the customer, and they are telling these are the terms and conditions. 24/7 support is there. 24/7 service is available. 24/7 support is available. Okay. These kind of issues will be resolved immediately. These kind of issues will be taken 1 hour time. These kind of issues will be resolved in a 2 days of time. Depends upon kind of issues. Regular maintenance related issues. Regular maintenance. When our issues occurs, immediate attention based on kind of issues, based on impact. Okay. So service provider will tell this kind of service. service level agreement. That is the contract between service provider and a customers. Guys, understand SLA?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Service level agreement. Operational level agreement. Operational level agreement. So one second. This is an organization. This is the customer. I am a provider. Is a client or a customer. Whatever it is. So what I will do, I will give SLA. So you are getting this kind of services. This is the support. This is the timeline for a support. This is the what support we are providing. Like that, we are giving an agreement. SLA, service level agreement between provider and a client. You know, in organizations, there is a unit called a BU, business unit. What they will do, for example, you take a software development or a infrastructure development or infrastructure service providers. Organization is like that. So we have a client companies. No? So from client companies, these people will take a project. These people will get a project. They agree to provide certain service like this, SLA. So we'll provide this kind of services. We'll give you this infrastructure support or technical support, 24 by running service. By this time, we will hand out to you that kind of stuff. They will do it. And what this BU do it, you will give it to our technical team. So this is our project. You have to complete in 2 weeks. Okay, or these are the support level requirement. So you have to give this kind of support. So this is an agreement between internal organization people only. So that's it is operational level agreement. This is IT employees and business unit, OLA, operational level agreement. Of course, they need a supply kind of stuff, or maybe people who are providing like network resources, computer resources, internet resources, software resources, tools. We are also taking from someone, right? I said already, IT organization provide a service to IT and non-IT. So we are giving service and also we are taking service. So it is a vendor. Okay. And I am taking agreement between the vendor to our service provider. So this is UC, unpinned contract, underpinning contract, service provider and a vendor. Okay. What is SLA? Service level agreement. This is optional, guys, incident management, because I already given very good link. Okay, keep studying, guys. Person having a knowledge, person is worth of having information, knowledge, strong in technical is always useful in industry, guys. Still, some people are in the mind, of course, communication skills are important, and plus technical knowledge is also very important. Okay. That's the things about your service days. There's so many things to discuss, but I think minimum enough. But I want to tell few points to highlight. Guys, we discussed about what is Office 365. one small point, because one question it will cover. That's why I told. Plus to explain service provider and a client side. Okay. So here it is, what service desk. First question is, what is service desk? Where is service desk? What is service desk? Okay. The next question is, where we got something column. One second. So what is service desk? What is single point of contact? Okay. And what is ticket? And do you know any type of tickets? Instant ticket, service request ticket, alert ticket. What is alert ticket? It is generated by our monitoring system. Okay, which is generated by our monitoring system. Okay, so what is the ticket? Types of tickets. Possible go to P1, P2, P3. Already I given a demo video, guys, that priorities, impact and priorities of a ticket. Impact and priority of a ticket. What is P1, P2, P3? Okay. Compulsory, guys, this is no escape from the service desk questions. The next one is, what is event? What is alert, incident, workaround, problem, change, service request? Difference between incident and service request. Difference between incident and problem. Okay. And there can be a questions like this. Give the example between incident and service request. I given one or two examples, but try for more examples. Okay. Next, do you have any knowledge on tools, service desk tools? In the demo, it is shown service, fresh service kind of stuff. Okay, it's another name changed, but it is a fresh service only. And this is BMC Helix demo. Okay, if you check it, I have seen the demo. Sir explained something. That's okay. What is an SOP? Troubleshooting model. And another very important question is, what service does analysts do? This is another important question. What service does analyst will do it? And this top 25, these questions are also very important. Okay. So you have to do it from what I in my sequence only, guys. Follow my sequence. So you go to top 25 questions first, and you want to read what is service desk next. You are already put a lot of time on it, right? So you will not covering basics. First cover from starting one by one. What is a service desk? What is the service desk analyst will do it? Okay. What is the ticket? Types of ticket, priorities, and what is the incident ticket? What is a service request ticket or service ticket? What is the difference? Examples. What is event, alert, incident, problem, change? Explain change management. Okay. What is SLA? What is SLA? What is SLA? That's it. I put red color, but for you I will do it like this. What is SLA? Service level agreement. Okay. So this one again telling about what is the service desk. Okay. First one, last one, service desk. Levels, different. What is level 2? What is level 1? Okay, guys. Compulsory read. Tomorrow we have a class again at 3 o'clock. Tomorrow is a Friday, right? Tomorrow we have a class. So we'll start basic hardware. tomorrow. If possible, Saturday you may have a class. Okay, we'll see because times are very less. Okay, but for now,
Sir, please mark some important question in networking sensors.
Networking
Yes, sir, because in this short content is must rise up.
Yes, sir.
What happened?
Sir, time is very less.
Just scroll up. Just scroll up.
Time is not less. Okay, if you are study
Yes.
from day one onwards, daily I am telling, right?
But the thing is, while we are studying, we are not able to grasp each and everything.
Not required.
Yes, sir.
On Excel.
Read it again. You have to read once and leave it. Leave it for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, and then read it again. You will grasp it, guarantee. Only
The
main
syllabus
point.
is so much lengthy.
We are forgetting some of the technical terms.
That is the natural
sir.
behavior.
For starter, it is like that only.
Right.
Sir, syllabus is too much lengthy for us.
Too much. For
For
Cognizant, it is
interview
10 subjects.
purpose.
In Cognizant, 10 subjects.
Can you please go to
Once
top left
training,
corner? There's a file
one
option.
single sitting interview.
In the Excel only, we are talking about
Okay.
Excel only.
Which
There's a
we are
file option.
training to it. Your ears
Sir,
nothing.
Please choose the account.
what will be the
Intermediate syllabus.
duration of our interview will be?
Now, on the green pane itself, there is account option.
Can you tell me, sir?
What it is?
What will be the
Sign
duration
up.
of our interview will be?
Duration of your interview, I don't know. That is, I don't know. Okay. Duration of interview.
Then you won't
Sir,
be able
either
to use
it is
And
5,
Microsoft
12
Office
to 10
Professional
minutes.
Plus.
Then
Someone putting a background something. Who's one? Okay, no problem. I will search and send 1, 2, 3 videos to you guys. But for today, first read service desk. Yesterday class,
Sure.
today class. Today. Okay. Read about service desk.
Okay,
What
sir.
is the service desk? What is service desk analysis will do? Incident, column, like that only. Service desk related questions. Read those things. Okay. So maybe if I possible tomorrow or day, I will send that networking related discussion. Anything is available, I will try. Or you can search in my videos are there na? In YouTube. So try any general interview questions. Heading is general interview questions, hyphen personal, hyphen technical, hyphen networking, like that it is there. In networking, important is mainly differences, guys, like what is an IP address, what is MAC address, difference between IP and MAC address. And I given a interview questions list also. Take a question, read an answer. Okay. Practicing answers, it will be given.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Service desk is important, personal questions important. 1 or 2 regular troubleshooting questions. Most common troubleshooting related questions. Differences, RAM and ROM difference. Switched by TCP UDP difference. Okay. TCP UDP difference. All differences, trying to make as a small things differences. Okay. Not required to buy hardware. Not required to buy hardware. Okay. Very simple it is. If you take one topic and what is the difference between this and that. If you read like that, you will understand. And half of syllabus is also not completed. Mainly two part. Hardware is there and other things also there. Okay. So tomorrow I will start with the PC hardware components.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye, guys, for today. To study service desk, yesterday's and today's material, and watch that number 12 or 15, that video, demo video, so you will get more clarity in a ticketing system and handling incidents kind of stuff.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you.